walk us through what those calls are like. What's that process like if somebody wants to call Kaminsky Law and see if they have a claim? How do you guys handle that? And what does that experience feel like?
Sure. So our consultations are always free. It doesn't hurt to call. When you call, you're going to talk to our awesome paralegal, Becca, and she's going to get the overview of your situation. She has some questions that she'll ask, and then she'll send us a summary, and we'll look at it. And from there, we can really pinpoint what questions we need to ask to get the facts that we need to get to determine if it's a case. And then we'll call you back and we'll get those answers and we'll decide, if there's something there. If there's something there, we can talk representation. Even if there's not something there, what I find is a lot of employees are, they feel closure after that. And so they know, at least I tried, at least I saw it through, and they don't have that what if lingering.
The only thing I was going to add to that is don't hesitate to send Becca whatever screenshots and documents you have, whatever agreements you have, because that'll save you a follow-up call. So to be ready when you call us, have those screenshots, have that contract ready that you could just forward to Becca, and she'll make sure we all see it.
So if you think you might have some sort of claim, you're not sure, really important to, and we talked about, don't forward those emails to somebody else or something that could be breach of a different agreement, but with your company. But just make sure you have whatever documentation you're able to collect, package that up in a nice clean package so that you guys can review it in that initial summary. And at the very least, even if you don't have a claim where you are in an at-will state, you get that closure of knowing that, yes, this is not a good situation if you're being let go from a firm, either for a layoff or firing, or termination, but at least you know that things were done on the up and up, that you did everything you could do to protect yourself and move forward.